When I go on the YouTube's homepage in search of new and fresh content to watch, I often go to New to You tab in the top right corner. But instead of new content, I get a few days or maybe months old content when I click on it. Ever wondered why is that? Hi, my name is Nick and welcome to my channel. Last few years I watch YouTube a lot, even more than Netflix or regular TV. Actually, they say YouTube is the new television. So when I'm looking for new content, I thought maybe New to You tab will serve me something new, published a few minutes ago or hours ago, but it's giving me old content instead. So I was confused a bit, but then I asked Ask Studio inside YouTube, and here is the answer it gave me. The New to You tab doesn't serve the newest videos on YouTube, but instead it focuses on content that is new to you, meaning videos you haven't seen before, regardless of when they were uploaded. The goal is to surface hidden gems or classic videos that match your interest but you haven't seen them yet. It's not a glitch in the system, it's actually one of the most powerful tools for finding your next favorite creator, and most people are using it wrong. If you are a YouTube creator, this feature actually gives so-called evergreen content a new life and provides a new reach. Is this also new to you? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.